Hi, welcome back. Myself, KK Singh, and I'm a GG leader Agra. And today I'm going to discuss Google Sheets. And in the Google Sheets, though I have discussed these two titles, which I am going to discuss today, and these are not other than the Xlookup and Importrange. So this is a combination I'm going to use in my video. So over here, the scenario is that I'll fetch the admission numbers from the sheet, and after fetching the number in my Google Sheets, I'll apply Xlookup to find out the values or other names corresponding to those admission numbers in another sheet. So how to do this? How to import the admission numbers from the external sheet or a spreadsheet, and how to apply Xlookup on this data to fetch the data corresponding to the admission numbers fetched through import range. So let's move to our Google Sheet. So here this is my Google Sheet. I have already created the title, the header. So this is the header, admission number, and this is a name. And this time I'm going to fetch the admission numbers using the import range. Then I'll apply Xlookup. Okay, so the first task is very simple. So I'll have to apply equal sign, then import range, and then I'll have to check for the URL which I want to fetch. Okay, so the URL should be in double quotes. So what is the URL of that sheet? So here this is the URL, and this column I want to take from here to the target sheet. Okay, so let's go to the sheet. I'll have to copy the URL. Copy the URL. Either you copy the entire URL of this spreadsheet or only ID of this spreadsheet. So ID of this spreadsheet is this. So I'm going to copy only this, and copy. I'm going to this space and pasting the URL. Then what is the range I'm going to fetch from that source? So I'll have to see the sheet number or sheet name. So my sheet name is sheet 1. So I'm going to mention sheet 1, sheet 1, and exclamatory sign, and I have to mention the column name which I want to fetch. So I'm going to fetch A2 to A41. So this is my data range of that spreadsheet, and I'll simply press the enter key. So it is showing the reference error. So if I hover the mouse over here, it asks for the allow access. So when I click on allow access, so it fetches all the admission numbers. Format automatic, and this is alphanumeric, and that is why I'll make it right aligned. Okay, so one task is over. I have used import range to fetch the admission numbers from the spreadsheet, and the spreadsheet ID is this. And what I want to fetch the the names of these students corresponding to these admission numbers. So how to do this? And for that I'll use Xlookup. For that I'll type equal sign here and then use Xlookup. And what I want to search, so search key is, this is my search key, comma, what is the lookup range? So my lookup range is I'll use, I'm so sorry, I'm going to copy this URL import range because I'll use this here. X lookup, and this I want to search, and where I want to search this, so I'll have to paste that import range here. So A2 to A41, so this I'll have to look into the sheet. The sheet identity is this, sheet ID is this, and I am going to search this in this area, A to A. Okay, and then comma, what should be my result area? So my result area is the same, and I'll use, because name is on B, B, and comma, then missing value, though this is optional, so I'm giving the null, and for the exact match I'll use 0 and close the parenthesis and press the enter. Let's see what happens. So it is loading the name. So first name is this, and if I double click on this, so it will give you the entire list of the names. So this way we can apply Xlookup along with the import range. So this is the search key, and in this area or in this range I want to search this key, and from that sheet I want to fetch or import the data, and this is the ID of that sheet, and this is the column I want to fetch, and this is the sheet number or the sheet name. The most important thing is the sheet name should be identical, means the similar. If there is any discrepancy in sheet name, definitely you will not get the correct output. So here this is the combination of Xlookup function of Google Sheets and the import range function of the Google Sheets. So hope you get the concept or the combination of Xlookup and the import range. So do share it with your friends, do share it with your students, do share it with your superiors, so that as and when they need such kind of scenario, then they can use Xlookup and import range. So we'll meet in the next video, and if you have not subscribed my channel, my request is to subscribe to this channel so that you get the notification of the video as and when new video is created. with some new function and the scenarios. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.